Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add the Shopify buy button on WordPress. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can head over first to your actual Shopify. And then from in here, just head over to this apps right here. Then what you can do is you can search in here for buy button. So let's head over and search for that. Let's search buy button channel. Then we can see that we have this app right here. So let's head over and click on this. And then this will direct us to a new page where we can see this actual app in the Shopify App Store. So head over and click on this install button right here, and as you can see, it will open another window right here that will actually enable us to install this to our dashboard. So let's just wait for this right here and then click on the install button. And then once you have clicked on that, it will install itself to our actual dashboard in Shopify. Now this is what the dashboard of this app will look like. So what you can do is you can click on this create buy button right here. And then you can choose a type of buy button. So for me, I'll just choose this product buy button. And then I will add the product, which is called t-shirt right here. Then click on select. After that, it will show me in this right here. So you can see in here that we have this action when people click. Is you can actually add this product to cart, direct to checkout, or you can open the product details. So for example, for me, I'll head over and then open the product details, but it depends on you what you want. So you can also put me here a classic layout style. It can be basic, it can be classic, or it can be a full view. So for me, I'll just choose full view. And you can also put in here all of your product variants if you have any. So what I can do next is I can actually head over and then click on next right here. Once I have done that, I should be able to see this code right here. So I'll just head over and click on this copy code. Once I have copied this code, I just need to head over to my WordPress. If you haven't registered yet, just head over and register on WordPress. Then from in here, you should be able to see this post. Under this post, just head over and click on this add new post. And then from in here, you should be able to see this new page that we will show you that you should be able to add in here some new posts on your WordPress. So you can add in here title. So for example, I can say something like this, buy this polo here. So in here, you can also see this type dash or slash to choose a block. So in here, let's type in here slash and then let's search in here for HTML. You can see this custom HTML right here. So click on that and then you can write HTML right here. So we remember earlier that we have copied the code. So you can just paste that right here. As you can see, this what it will look like. Now you can just head over and then save this code right here. And then once you have saved this code, you can actually just head over and then make sure it's been saved. So click on the save draft right here. And then you can also click on this preview right here in order to see what it will look like. And as you can see, this is what it look like. So let's head over and click on publish right here. Then click on publish again in order to publish this on our WordPress. So once this is done publishing, we should be able to click on this view post right here. And then once you have clicked on this view post, you should be able to see our title page right here, as well as this buy this polo here. And you can also share this. And in just a few seconds, it will take some time for the code to load. But once it's been loaded, you should be able to see the buy button that will direct you back to Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. If you also found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well. Or leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.